Good morning, student. Welcome to Sheba group of online class. Now we are going to lesson number 2, motion. That is called physics. Physics, lesson number 2, motion. What is meant by motion? This is a position of changing the object stage. So that is called the motion. Once again, motion is the position of the object, changing the object. So that is called motion. Next one point, everything in the universe of the movement, universe of the motion, everything universe in the motion object will be present. Okay, it's clear. Next, two types of the motion, rest and motion. What is the rest and motion? Just you see, you look around you, you can see the many things. What are they? The buses will be a row of the house, and huge trees, small trees, and then birds are flying and buses are on the or running on the cars and the buses will be road. So these are all the motions, rest and motions will be. What are the things, what object will be for the remain the fixed position and moved position. These are all the, you can see around the buses and the car and the buses running on the road, and then huge tree, small trees, and then next one is a row of the house, and then next is a small things will be you see. Next, what will the fixed of the position? These things you are, what are the fixed of the position, and then which one is a changing the position. You arrange this all the object. Next one is a rest and which the list fixed changes of the many object of the things. Next one is a rest. What is the rest condition? In the physics is the object which do not move the change the position. They do not move the change. Anyone change the position are said to be the rest. It's clear. Once again, in physics, the object, physics object which do not change anyone, do not change, that is called the fixed, do not change anyone, the position are said to the rest. For example, the book is lying on the table and the wall, so that is not moving the object, that is called a resting place. It's clear. Next, motion. What is the motion? The car and the buses running on the road, and the birds and the aeroplane flying on the sky are in the motion. So that is called the motion. It's clear. So that is called different. Rest is the this is not which do not the change any one position. That is called the rest. Next only motion is here. This is here changing the position. It's called here motion. It's clear. Next, type of motion. How many types of motion? That is here 4 types of motion. One is here linear motion. One is here linear motion. Second one is here circular motion. Third one is here oscillatory motion. Next one is here random motion. Okay, it's clear. So that is called here motion. What is this? This is here. What is the stage of the position of the motion? 4 types of motion: linear motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion, and then random motion. I explain one by one. Listen, types of motion. First of all, linear motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion, and random motion. First one is a linear motion. That is a motion along with a straight line. So that is called the linear motion. Only for the it's a motions will be along the straight line only for the linear motion. Next, circular motion. This motion, circular motion along with a circular path of the circular motion. Only round for the circular motion. Next, oscillatory. That is the object regular for the interval of the time. In mediate and interval of the time only presenting the oscillatory motion. Repeatedly to and from, repeatedly from the motion object. Regular of the interval of the oscillatory motion. Next one, random motion. What is a random? Which does not fall in any one object above the categories. Does not fall any one object for the category of the random motion. It's clear. That is called a type of motion. Next one is a distance and displacement. What is the distance? The traveled by, in between the traveled, so that is called the distance. The actual length of the path that traveled by moving the distance and is crossing the path. The actual length of the path traveled moving by irrespective of the direction is called the distance. So that is called the meter is the SI system of meter. SI system is a measured SI system of only for the measuring the meter. Next, this is a scalar quantity. The distance will be a scalar. It is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. It's clear. So that is called the distance equal to is only for the traveled in between the space of the taken the time. Okay, the actual length of the path traveled by moving a body irrespectively of the direction is called the distance. So the SI system of measure the meter only the SI system of the measuring the meter, that is called a scalar quantity. It's clear. Next one, displacement. Next we are going to the displacement. It is defined the change of position only for, first of all, the distance is traveled only for the moving the body. Displacement is defined as the change of the position of moving the body. Change of position moving the body in a particular direction only. Change of the body. So it is measured the SI system of the system. SI system. This is a vector quantity. This is a vector quantity. Vector quantity. The meter is measured the SI system. It is measured the meter of the SI system. First of all, it is the define the change in the position of moving body. It is meter is measured the SI system. Measured the SI system. Next one is it is a vector quantity. So that is called displacement. Next one, speed, velocity and acceleration. So these are all following. Speed is the rate of change the distance or distance travel the unit of time. For example, the speed equal to distance traveled by taken the time taken. Okay, time taken. This is a vector quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. It is measured in meter seconds. This measured the meter seconds. Once again, speed is the rate of change of the distance. Rate of change, distance will be changed. That only taken the time, traveled in the unit of the time. Speed equal to distance travel by taken the time. It is measured the meter seconds. It is measured the meter seconds. This is a vector. The speed is here only for the velocity, the vector quantity. This is a vector quantity. Listen, I do the one sum. An object travels 16 minutes in 4 seconds. Listen carefully. An object travels 16 minutes in 4 seconds. Next, and then another 16 minutes 2 seconds. So, what is the average speed of the object? This is a total object travels. Total object travel is 16 m. Then another one is a 16 m. Listen, total distance. Total distance traveled. Total distance traveled by the object. Listen, object travels 16 m in 4 seconds and another one is a 16 m 2 seconds. So total distance traveled by the object equal to 16 m plus another one 16 m. This is the object of the travel. 16 m plus 16 m equal to 32. Okay, 32 minutes. Next, and then same one is here. Total time taken. What second? 4 seconds and 2 seconds. Total time taken. Next one is here. Total time taken equal to 4 seconds plus 2 seconds. 2 seconds equal to 6 seconds. It's clear. Total distance traveled by object 16 plus 16, 32 minutes. Next one is here. Total time taken 4 plus 2 is a 6 seconds. Next one is here. Average of the speed. Listen carefully. Average of speed equal to, what is this? Distance traveled by taken the time. Distance travel taken time equal to 32 minutes by 6 seconds is here equal to 5.33. Listen, 32 by 6, what? 5 6 are 30, below the 2, this point is here, point only, above the point 1, then another one 0 add is here, 3, 18, 2, then another 0, 18. So 5.33 seconds. 5.33, 5 meter 3 seconds will be going the average of the speed. It's clear? Next one. A sound is, it's clear? Next one. A sound is heard 5 seconds. A sound is heard 5 seconds. Later than lightning is seen in the sky. It's clear. Is a lightning and thunder. Is a heard the 5 seconds, after the 5 seconds later than the heard. So is seen in the sky on a rainy day. It's clear. Find the distance of location of the lightning given the speed of the sound equal to 346 of the meters seconds. First of all, speed equal to distance by time. Listen, distance by time equal to, then distance equal to speed by time. Is a distance equal to speed into time will be the changing of the sound equal to distance equal to speed into time. What is the speed? Speed is a 346 meter seconds. 346 meter seconds in the speed, and 5 is the seconds. 5 seconds here the later of the lightning, the thunder. Okay, 5. So 3 into 5. So this is a 6 or 33, 20, 23 is a 1173. Okay, is a meter second square. Meter seconds. It's clear. Okay. First of all, the speed, first of speed equal to distance by time. Then again distance equal to speed into time. Speed already given the sound meter seconds 346 already given the value 346 into 5 seconds of the here the letter of the lightning of 346 into 5 equal to 1730 meter seconds of the travelled by the lightning. It's clear. Next we are going to velocity. What is the velocity? The rate of change the displacement. Velocity is the rate of change the change of the displacement. That is the displacement is changing the unit of the time. The velocity is the measure the unit of the time, and this is a vector quantity. Vector quantity. The next is a velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement. Listen carefully. Displacement by time. Displacement by time. That is called the take at the time. Velocity. Velocity is the rate of change the displacement. That is called the velocity is the measure the unit of the time. Measure the unit of time. Next one is a vector quantity. The velocity equal to displacement by taken time. So that is called the same process. Displacement and distance will be same process, but velocity is a displacement by taken the time. Next acceleration. Next one is a acceleration is the rate of there's the same the rate of change of velocity or it is the change of velocity, that is called the acceleration. Acceleration equal to change of velocity by time equal to final velocity and initial velocity. The compared to the final velocity minus the initial velocity is minusing the by time, is divided by time. So that is called A equal to V minus U by T. Final velocity less than the initial velocity, and then what time will you given the taken the time, that is A equal to V minus U by T. Is a acceleration. It's clear. Listen children, today this class is here. First of all motion, rest and motion, distance and travel speed, velocity, displacement, then acceleration, velocity. Next one is here uniform motion and non-uniform motion, linear motion, circulatory motion, and then acceleratory motions, random motion. These are all finished this lesson. Next class we are going to another one, graph. What is the graph? It is a graphical representation of the motion along with the straight line, which is the distance time graph will be followed the uniform motion. Thank you.